Alright, my name is Jacob Persico, and today I'm going to show you how to install mods into Minecraft Java Edition. My computer needs to update, so I'm going to show you how easy that is. Unlike with Windows, I can do my Linux updates while I'm using the computer. Okay, so alright, so this, you can do this on, this will work on Windows or Linux. So what we're going to do is we're going to go open up a new folder, and for Linux you want to do wavyline / Minecraft. Now for Windows, if you're using Windows, you want to do %app data %\Minecraft instead. But since we're doing it on Linux, okay. So I've already created a subfolder in my Minecraft folder to put the modded mod packs in. I picked the name GameDir. You could call it, you could name it whatever you want. You could call it modded, you could call it games, whatever, but I just call it GameDir. So this has got my modded games, and so you go into whatever folder you have the modded games in. And this is where my modded games are. You don't have to actually put it in. I could have put these. See, these are all the modded games that I have. I could have put this directly into the GameDir folder, but I didn't like this anyway. I don't know why. So what we want to do is we want to start up Minecraft launcher. So we gotta, Minecraft has to update now. Alright, so the main mod I want to use is ComputerCraft. I want to use the newest version. The mod that I want to install is the newest version of ComputerCraft. And so it looks like that. It says here ComputerCraft EDU. Okay, so it looks like 1. Okay, yeah. So ComputerCraft and ComputerCraft EDU are both for Minecraft version 1.8.9. So the first thing we need to do is we need to start up. Well, we already opened the folder that we need. So let's create a new profile. So we're going to create a new profile. I'm going to go into installations, and I'm going to go into new installation, and I'm going to call this ComputerCraft for MC, as for Minecraft. 1.8.9 is the version of Minecraft we're going to use. 1.8.9 is that the version of Minecraft we're going to use. So now I'm going to have to go into this list, and I'm going to type in 1.8. 1.8.9, and there's release 1.8.9. Okay, and now I want to choose the directory, and the directory I'm going to pick is .minecraft, and then we see that the directory I'm using is the game dir directory and the Forge directory. And then I'm going to add computer craft for 1.4 MC 1.8.9. Alright, create. So computer craft for MC 1.8.9, computer craft for MC 1.8.9. So the folder I'm putting this in it's inside the .minecraft folder, but the subfolder is computer craft for MC 1.8.9 for this particular mod pack that I'm making. Now, what you name this mod pack, see, this mod pack I'm naming Computer Craft for MC 1.8.9, but you can give your mod pack whatever name you want. And I'm pressing release 1.8.9 because that's the version of Minecraft I want to use. And then I'm going to go create. And then the next thing I have to do is I have to actually go back to play, and I have to actually select this and then hit play. And I understand the risk. It's warning me that it's a modded version. Oh no, it's warning me that it's an older version. I haven't modded it yet. Okay, so we got to start this up. And what this will do is it'll populate our Computer Craft folder with the files that we need. And it will populate the. Okay, so. And it will also install this version of Minecraft. So now 1.8.9 is installed. So that version of Minecraft is now installed. So now we can quit the game. And this is just my updates being installed. It's nice that I can install my Linux updates and use the computer at the same time. Which is something you can't do with Windows. With Windows updates, you have to, when Windows is doing its updates, it locks you out of the computer until the updates are done. Whereas Linux, when Linux is doing the updates, you can actually still use the computer while it's updating. I love that about Linux. Okay, so now we got to get the mod. So I'm going to go and no, wait a minute. Can't get the mod yet. Okay, so these use Forge. Computer Craft uses Forge. So I have to get Forge. Forge for Minecraft. And I have to forge .8. Was it 1.8.9, right? 1.8.9, yeah, okay, 1.8.9. Okay, Forge for Minecraft 1.8.9. So, latest or recommended? I'm going to go with the recommended, not the latest. I'm going to go installer. And then this is a little add on the bottom. And a little counter on the upper right. Okay, I'm going to go skip. Okay. Now I get the installer for it. And Okay, so now I'm going to run the installer for Forge. Okay, well, because this is Linux, I have to go into properties and enable execution, which you don't have to do in Windows. Run it. And wait. What's happening? Okay. Install client. Okay, so I'm going to have okay. Successfully install client profile. Okay. So now we have all right, let's go into Minecraft again. I don't know why okay, so come on. All right. All right, so I want to actually want to install Liteloader too. So actually, you know what? Let me install Liteloader on top of the Forge, because one of these mods uses Liteloader instead of Forge. So I'm going to go into the Liteloader. I already have the page up already. 1.8.9. Okay, they just have the snapshot. All right. Okay, I guess I had already installed. All right, so I'm gonna run the Liteloader jar file. Okay, yeah, that's right. Mark it as executable. Properties. Permissions executable. So I'm gonna Liteloader. I'm gonna wait for the Liteloader to start. So okay, so here see it says extend from. I can just install Liteloader by itself, or I can install the Liteloader on top of the Forge. And what I need to do is install the Liteloader on top of the Forge. Now, some mods use Liteloader, some mods use Forge. So, if you're just using a mod that uses Forge, then install Forge. If you're just using a mod that needs Liteloader, just do Liteloader. But if you're doing some mods that need Forge and some mods that need Liteloader, then this is the way you do it. You install Forge first, and then you install Liteloader on top of that. All right, so now we see we have this profile right here. We have the Forge profile, but this Forge profile we're not really going to use. Actually, no, let me take a look at this Forge profile. I don't think it's actually any use to me. Yeah, so this Forge profile is not any use to me. So I'm just gonna delete this. It just created this Forge profile to try to be helpful. It's trying to be helpful, but I don't use that. So I'm gonna go back into Computer Craft, and we're gonna change this to the one that's got. We're still doing Minecraft 1.8.9, but we're changing it to one that supports Forge mods and Liteloader mods. I don't see Liteloader in this. You know what, I might have to restart this. I probably should have. I might have to restart this. Let me just. Yeah, so sometimes like after you install Forge or Liteloader, you might have to restart the Minecraft launcher so it can find it. Alright, so let's see, go installations. Okay, let's do this again. Alright, so 1.8.9. Okay, there it is. See, Liteloader and Forge. We want both. Okay, so I'm gonna save this, and now we have it. Now all we have to do okay, so it doesn't have the mods folder, but anyway, let's just play this one just to make sure it works. And yeah, see, it adds the mods folder in when you play it. Alright, see, when you hit play, yeah, see, there's no mods yet. Okay, so let's just quit it again. Okay, so now we got the mods folder. Okay, so now we can drop in the Minecraft 1.8.9 mods that we wanted to play with. And we can do light motor ones and Forge since we installed both. So I'm going to go computer craft. Oops. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, computer craft. Alright, so let's see if I already downloaded the computer craft. Okay, it doesn't look like it. I don't think I downloaded it yet. Okay, so let me download computer craft. The newest one for 1.8.9. Download file. Okay, downloading. Okay, and it's version 1.79 of computer craft, which is the newest version, and this runs on Minecraft 1.8.9. So we got that. And then we just download whatever mods you want. And I'm also going to go back and do the Computer Craft EDU. That sounds like fun. And I'm going to install that too. That'll be interesting. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I hit the wrong button. Download that. Don't install it. Download it. Because we're doing this ourselves. Okay, so that's the one I want. Now, for recipes, you know, like to tell you for the crafting recipes, not enough items and just enough items are good mods for crafting recipes, which tells you, you know, what arrangement you have to put stuff in the crafting recipes to craft stuff in Minecraft. So we see that I already looked this up. Not enough items only goes up to 1.8. So because of that, I have to use just enough items instead. Not enough items and just enough items do the same thing. But because not enough items is not available for this particular version of Minecraft, I'm going to use just enough items instead. 1.8.9. Let's see if I already downloaded that. JEI. No, I didn't. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and B is beta, and R. Okay, so if I mouse over B, I can see that's beta, and R is release. So 1.8.9, I'm gonna get. This is the newest one for 1.8.9. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that. Okay. And okay, just enough items. Okay, and now we get the same thing with here's what you're looking at versus what are you looking at. Here's what you're looking at and what are you looking at do the same thing, but here's what you're looking at is not available for this version of Minecraft. So what we're going to use is what are you looking at? What am I looking at? I'm sorry. Yeah. Minimum. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. Okay, and I'm sorry, what am I looking at for 1.8.8? Wait a minute, 1.8.8, that's not what we want. Oh, no, it does say game version 1.8.9. Okay, game version 1.8.9. Okay. All right, so that's what the one I'm going to get. And I'm going to... so we're using CourseForge.com, which is a pretty good website to get mods. And I'll leave a link to all these in the description. Like that. And click download. Alright, so what other mods do we want? Oh, I wanted the map mod, voxel map. So, voxel map 1.8.9, and this is for Liteloader, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to go into this to the mods folder for the mod pack that I'm making on the left, and the downloads folder on the right. Just snap that. I'm using Linux Mint, by the way, but you know it's the same. It works the same. This works the same on Windows. Okay, so let's see. Voxel map. What am I looking at? Just enough items. Computercraft EDU and Computercraft. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy those. Paste those into there. Computercraft EDU. Just enough items. What am I looking at? Okay. So, and then we're just going to start up Minecraft. Alright. And then any mods you want to add in the future, you just do that. So we already have Computercraft selected, so we're just going to go in and play. And, alright. Going to wait for this to load. Alright, so this is going to take a little longer to load because we have a bunch of mods here. Alright, so we see the mods. We have these I guess are always in there. And this one I guess is always in there too. So we got the Computercraft EDU, just enough items. What am I looking at? Where is the voxel map? I don't see voxel map. Did we add voxel map? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, here we go. So you have to click. So this is for the Forge mods right here. And then this little thing on the side is for the Liteloader mods. Okay, so we see we got like voxel map. So everything's good. I'm going to do single player. I'm going to create a test world just to test it out. Creative. Sheets on. And create. Alright, and that's it. So if you like this video, leave a like. Alright, so look at the map. Max map is working. And we see we have the just enough item is working because we have the okay, so yeah, so now see we have this crafting recipes. So that's just enough items. Okay, so we have here's what you're looking at. So that's the little tooltip on the top. It's telling me I'm looking at grass, telling me I'm looking at a chicken. And so that mod works. And then if we go here, we should see the computer mods. Okay, so here's the computer mods, computer craft. So we see all the mods are working. And that's it. So that's how you install mods into Minecraft. It's not really that hard. I'm going to save and quit. And I'm going to end the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. You can subscribe and have notifications off if you don't want to get notifications, or have them on. And you can be notified when I post another video.